Hi, I'm going to take you through a few basic tasks in WordPress. First of all, to get to the admin area of your site, type in your web address /, then login and return. Put your username in. And your password. Log in. Okay, I'm going to create a new page, but what I'm going to do is, because there are styled pages very often on sites, one of the quickest ways of doing it is to actually clone or copy a page and then edit over the existing content. So we'll come up to the left hand side of your admin and you can see here pages. Come across and then go to all pages. Okay, we'll edit a new food menus page here, and as you see, if we hover over this actual panel, you can see we've got clone. So I'm going to clone. It's the same as copying. I'm going to click clone, and you can see we now have food menus draft. Now that's because it's just not been saved. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to edit food menus. We'll just simply, for the sake of this tutorial, call it food menus new. Okay, there's our headline. We come down into the admin or editing section and we will put food menus new heading. Okay, right, so you wanted to actually change some data, you would literally just click on the end. So let's say I'm just going to put chips on the end of here. I know that doesn't make any sense, but here we go. Chips. Now, WordPress has got a little bit of a quirk to it when it comes to actually editing copy. If you want to just continue on a line down and keep the same style as we've got here, which is the lighter font, you need to shift return. Okay, extra copy here. If I wanted to create a paragraph, this area between here and here, you would just go return. But one of the easiest ways, if you've got stuff that's been actually already edited for you, is just to kind of select it, copy it, and we'll do a return, which gives me a paragraph, and then I'll paste. As you can see, that would then we'd be able to edit that. So it's kind of a quick way for you to kind of produce a page and not have to put all the sort of styling and everything in it. Okay, so we're happy now with what we've got. We can come over here to the right hand side and publish our page, or save is the same thing really. We'll publish the page. Up here is a very handy black bar. It doesn't appear, it's like an editing bar. It doesn't appear to anyone on the web, on the internet, who would be looking at this site. It's basically because we've logged in. It's just a very useful kind of little bar. So we'll go view page. We'll click view page. It takes us through to that particular page that we've just edited. So there you go, as you can see, blah blah blah, extra copy here, and the corrections that we did. So I'll go back in, so we come back up again, edit page. Right, let's say we now want this page to appear in our menu. We would come across again to this side of our admin panel, up to Appearance and across to Menus, and we've just created this page called Food Menus New. You'll see it here, Pages. There it is, Food Menus New. Click it so the little radio button is ticked, and go Add to Menu. It will then appear at the bottom of the menu. Now we want it up here under Menus, so what I'm going to do is just drag it up. Okay, now that it needs to be tucked in like that, so hierarchically you've got that indent. That means that it will come underneath Menus. So when you're happy with where you positioned that page, save your menu, come over to the left hand side of the little editor bar and click Visit Site. Alright, let's see our page in our menu. Come across, and as you can see, there it is, Food Menus New. Doesn't make much sense, but there you go. And there it is. Done. Okay, my next screencast will be uploading an image into the slideshow.